In today's video, I will walk you through how to export transaction history from Stripe to CSV. First, sign into your Stripe account using your preferred browser. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Find and open the Transactions section. After opening Transactions, switch to the Payments view. This will display a list of individual payments along with their details. Allow the page to finish loading and review the information shown to make sure you're looking at the payment data you want to export. If you work with multiple accounts or environments, confirm that you're viewing the correct one before continuing. Next, look toward the top right area of the Payments table near the column headers. Click the Export option. This will open a dialog where you can choose the details for your export. Start by selecting the date range. You can choose one of the available preset ranges or enter a custom start date and end date. Select the date range that contains the payment history you want to export. After setting the date range, move on to the column selection options. Choose the columns you want included in the CSV file. Review the available fields and select the ones you want to appear in the export. Once you've selected your date range and columns, review the settings one more time, make sure the date range is correct, and confirm that all required columns are included. When everything looks right, click Export. Stripe will begin generating the CSV file based on the settings you've selected. Depending on the size of the date range and the amount of payment data being exported, the process may take a moment to complete. After the export has been generated, the CSV file will be downloaded. At that point, you'll have a file containing the payment history for the selected date range and the columns you chose during the export process. Once the download is complete, the export process is finished, and your transaction history will be available in CSV format based on the criteria you selected. Thank you for watching.